Right, we're here day one of Hot Rod Powertour West. We're at Irwindale today. We got 8th Mile drag racing. We're over here in the middle of nowhere, but we got all the other cars behind us there. It's been a long time since I've ran this car. Fastest so far is like 11.7s or 11.5 and then 7.3 in the 8th. I haven't ran this car since February of 22. Super excited to get it racing again. I've made very little changes since the last time I ran it, so it might go a little bit faster, but we'll see. So I'll go over those now before we get teched in. So basically everything from here forward is the same. You know, I did the rewire, I talked a little bit of stuff about that, but everything there is just kind of fixed. The big change, which I'm hoping we may go faster with, is it's finally on a 26-inch tire. The last time it ran, it was on 28 12.5 ETSS's, Mickey Thompson's, which definitely slowed the car down. It's running 115 in the quarter, but it only had, I think, 5,800 RPM. Now we're on a 26, 2 inches shorter, 11.5, an inch narrower, and then it's an ETR. It is no longer an ETSS, so they're a little bit lighter and they're a better compound. So that's about an 8% increase, so that should really help. That's hopefully should get the car a couple tenths faster. The only other change I've made is I pulled a little bit of weight out of the car. So it's 26 pounds lighter than when the last time it ran. That's really not much, but what I did to do that is I cut all the structure out of the trunk. So no more latch, anything like that. All of this is gone. This thing's super floppy. I still have the hinges and stuff for now, but I cut all this out. I cut some other stuff. There was some other stuff that's been in there for a long time. So yeah, we're down 26 pounds. Maybe that'll make a little difference. I might pull the mufflers off too. Those are 15 pounds each, depending on the noise ordinance. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm hoping it makes a little bit of a difference, but only one way to know. And let's, I'm gonna get in line and get teched in. Run this up to her?
Yeah.
All right, we're all teched in, all ready to go. They're already starting to run people. Just gotta put the hood on. And then I got the two-step sitting there. I got that set at 2,000. I'll see what that does. I have no idea where it wants to be, but it should 2,000 is even really high, but so I'll get the hood on and then we'll get all the way up there in the lanes and start waiting. All right, so how was that?
736.
But it's saying, how did it look? How did it whatever? Because it went
solid.
It went exactly as fast as it's ever gone. I think it spun. It did something weird, like it went whoa,
yeah, I caught
and
that.
then I realized I forgot. So I'm at 0-0 on all 4 coilovers. That's how I run on the street. So I'm gonna crank them down now, and then the car died because this thing's so hard to hear. And then yeah, 2,000 leave. Did it? I guess I'll watch the footage, but. Yeah, it felt good. It's funny. So it went, yeah, like I said, 7.6 at 93, exactly what it's done before. But the air's terrible, so it's super hot in here. And my AITs was like over 100 because it's just baking in the sun. But that was fun though. It was, and then also, yeah, these tires literally are brand new. Like I haven't even done a single burnout on them at all. So I did a longer burnout than I normally do, but I might do one bit longer one as well. But yeah, I think let me watch that pass and then cool off, and then I want to see if I can chop it there.
So the last pass was a 7.365. Best is 7.33. It'll do. That's a new best.
Better?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, 731. So
Oh yeah.
that I did everything I could there. The problem is that so the AIT got to 122.
Oof.
So the error is just what it is. I need to check when it starts to pull timing. It might be around there. That's the hottest AIT I've ever seen, but yeah, it'd be cool if I could like pop the hood till the last second, but it's a bunch of Zeus's. But yeah, look at the log, but that basically does what it did. It's same exact thing of 93.73. So maybe that's all it has in this air. You know, I guess maybe it just needs more power, and maybe I'm thinking about we might pull the mufflers off right now.
E8 Camaro. Firebird. Second gen Firebird. Goes 806 to 894. 894 miles an hour. Challenger coming up over the left lane. Take it on the old school Ford pickup. It's got some different headlights grafted into it and a different tailgate.
All right, so I kind of blew that up. So it didn't, my two-step didn't engage. So I saw I totally lurched, and then I tried to hit it again, and then I was like, all right, let me just foot it, and then I just did. And then Lucky did his thing, and then I spun, got out of it, spun. Like, so I tried to hit the limiter a couple times, maybe make it sound cool. The car's so quiet, you probably can't hear much, but that was not a thing. But you know, I got my 731. Might maybe do one more, maybe be done for now, and then, as I said, mostly I want to save this thing for actual quarter mile time, because maybe I'll get the number that I want. All right, let me confirm the two-step is functioning. So button on. There we go. I don't know, sometimes it just doesn't want to do its thing, and on the line, you know, you're on the line. Oh well. And so, day's winding down, it's 4:30. I think we're done for the day. Got my 4 passes in, I got my 731. Definitely I want to save it for Pomona, so yeah, see you guys in a few days.